Hey everyone, Chris here with PEO Metrics. PEO Metrics is a free service which quickly compares the top 5 to 8 PEOs for your business, saving you up to 30% on your PEO costs. When we compare, you save. Today we're talking about PEO for workers' comp, okay? I get asked this question a lot. Hey, I'm in a difficult industry that's has inherent risk in it. My workers' comp insurance is outrageously expensive. So can a PEO help with workers' compensation costs? The short answer is absolutely yes. A PEO can help with workers' compensation costs. There's no question about it. And the number one way that a PEO can help a business through workers' compensation is when a business partners with a PEO, they partner through a concept called co-employment. So say today, 20 employees in your business, maybe you're in a roofing industry or another industry that's rife with risk, okay? You go out and get workers' compensation insurance, and that they're looking at your business as a 20 employee roofing industry, which is inherently risky and is going to drive up the cost of your workers' compensation. Number one, because it's a smaller business, and number two, because it's risky business, right? When you're in a co-employment model with a PEO, you are now looked at as a member of that PEO. So your 20 employees go into that PEO's risk pool, right? So you go from 20 employees to sometimes thousands or tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of employee risk pool when you're negotiating now for your workers' compensation rates, right? So now your workers' compensation is pooled into that much larger PEO employee headcount. So your workers' compensation prices should go down significantly when you enter into an arrangement with PEO. The same can be said for your healthcare benefits, because you're going from 20 employees now to tens or hundreds of thousands of employees. So not only do your healthcare benefits costs go down, you also have access to better benefits plans for your team. But PEOs don't just do benefits and workers' comp. They also do your payroll, okay? So they're going to manage your payroll processing. They're going to manage your risk management. So not just workers' compensation, but they'll support you through potentially unemployment claims, maybe if there's employee lawsuits, and they're going to become your day-to-day HR administrator, okay? So you're going to be able to outsource a majority of your HR related challenges that bubble up on a day-to-day basis, right? So yes, PEOs do charge an administrative fee. However, more often than not, that administrative fee is offset by your savings with your benefits and your savings with your workers' compensation, particularly if you're in a situation where you're paying very high rates for insurance and workers' compensation. So if you're thinking about PEO for workers' compensation, we should have a conversation. Because if you went out to the open market and tried to search for different PEOs and interview different PEOs and work through their processes, you might spend 5 to 8 hours with each PEO just to understand their benefits packages and their workers' compensation rates, right? What PEO Metrics can do is provide a free analysis for you on who we think are the best 5 to 8 PEOs for your business. We're going to save you on your time, and we're going to save you 30% on your PEO costs versus if you shop directly with that PEO. So if you're interested in learning more, we'd like to give you that free analysis. Please feel free to click the link in this video description. Tell us just a little bit about your business, and our PEO experts will be in touch with you. We'll let you know whether we think a PEO makes sense for your business, and if it does, we can help pair you with the right PEO for your business. Thanks for watching.